the glass, opened up about your past. Your friends said take it slow. Yeah, I know how it goes. Just two strangers passing through our lives. We're not too different. We found that out tonight. I want you to know before we say goodbye. I wish time was on our side. I wish time was on our side. By myself in my room, thinking about what to do. Should I let you know what I've been hoping for? I think we might have a chance, but life has other plans. You know this feeling's strong, but the timing's wrong. There's two strangers passing through our lives. We're not